Hey, what is up guys? This is Syed back on Masterminds and welcome to a new video on Pro GFX tool, which is the graphics tool for PUBG. Okay, so as you all know, I was making a lot of videos about Pro GFX tool, which have been very popular videos, and I thank you all for giving me all that support. But recently, due to PUBG ban in India, I was unable to make videos on the further updates. As you all know, I'm back in YouTube again. One subscribers has actually requested me to post videos again on that app, so I will be giving you the pro version of this app in this video, guys. So what you all have to do is like watch this video fully. If you like this video, please do like and do share with your PUBG friends so that they also can enjoy this app, like have the full experience of PUBG. Yeah, something like that. So if you want the download link, please do watch this video fully, guys, because I will be giving you the downloading link as well. Without hesitation, let's just get into the video. PUBGFX tool. So, as you all know, that previously PUBG was banned. Now PUBG is coming with official Indian server, and now my subscribers are requesting me again to post me the updated graphics tools, because previously when PUBG was banned, I stopped posting videos about the PUBG related apps. Now one of my subscriber has asked me to make video again, henceforth I am making this video. So this is the latest version of PUBGFX tool, guys. If you don't know what is PUBGFX tool, let me show you. Just go to Play Store and type PUBGFX tool. So this is an app. If you are having a low-end phone and your PUBG game is lagging a lot due to graphic settings, this app will help you a lot. So there is two versions of this app. One is the PGT free and GFX optimizer, and the next one is the PGT plus Pro GFX tool. I also made a video related to Gamers GL Pro with the Game Turbo and Ping Booster. If you want it, you can scroll through my videos and get that app as well. So it might be older version. If you want a newer version of that Gamers Booster, please do comment on the comment section. Now let me show you that I have actually used the paid version. Just check here, guys. It is showing the price as $2.49, which means it is the paid version of the app, and I have purchased and downloaded it in my app. And let's just quickly go through what are the new stuff that they have actually updated. There are added support for the latest updates of PUBG and minor bug fixes they have done. Other than that, everything is pretty much same, guys. And note down, this video is for version 0.19.1. if there is another version coming up, you guys have to comment down, because I have to find the working mod, then only I can share it in my YouTube, guys. If I'm making a video about an app which is not working very well with other devices, it actually damages my name in front of my subscribers and my viewers. Henceforth, I am trying to make sure that whatever the video I am giving and whatever the Pro GFX tool or Pro apps I am giving, it is working very much great and perfectly on all the Android devices. Okay, so let me open this app and show you that app. So as you have seen in Play Store, I have downloaded and installed it. Please do watch this video fully, because I will be giving you the updated link for this version. And after downloading the app from the link, you will get this icon like this. go to the app. Let me show you the about section, and you can see the version is 0.19.1p officially from Tricola Inc. Okay, let me go back again. Let me show you couple of stuff like what and all has been done. They have actually updated for the global 1.2x version and a couple of other versions, other 1.3 for beta version as well. And if you are a light user, you can use the 0.20.0x for the light mode as well. So this is something for you guys, but I always recommend you, if you don't know how to use this app, I will 100% recommend you to go for the best settings for your devices. So you have to turn on your internet first, and then you have to check what is your device and what is your model. So let me show you an example here. If you check, you are using an Oppo with this model number having this Android version. What you can do is you can click import and import the setting and use that setting to run your Android smartphone. Or if you cannot able to find your device here, what you can do easily is you can type on the search. For me, let me type, I'm using a Realme phone, so let me type Realme. It's a Narzo. So let me type search. So it's not coming up, so let me type Realme. So here I have couple of list here. I think it doesn't recognize the name, but it actually has the model number. I don't actually remember the model number, but here we can see the model numbers of the mobile. So you can use one of these graphic settings, and please do note, if your device is high-end device and if you want the settings kind of like that, means you can go for the graphics HD. Or if you want your game to be running smoothly, what you can do is you can download, import the settings for graphics smooth. So this is my recommendation for using this app, guys. Other than that, everything is same. So let me know in the comment section how this video was. If you actually like this video, please do share this video with your PUBG friends as well, and please do like this video. This will support me and encourage me on doing more videos, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye, guys. See you on my next video.
Le jour qui passe, c'est la nuit qui nous appelle, son rythme nous entraîne.